Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn that how we can download the marks from Microsoft Teams and upload it in our ERP software in some record register. So I hope that you know that how we can download the marks from Microsoft Teams, as today we are using the assignment feature of Teams for conducting subjective exams and Microsoft Forms we are using for conducting objective exams. I'll show you first that how we can download the marks. I'll go to my Microsoft Teams. Here is one of the team where I conducted one half-yearly exam. So clicking on this export to Excel, I'll get the marks as well as the feedback which I've already returned to the student. And from the Microsoft form in the responses, clicking on this, I'll get the marks along with their responses. But we know that the marks which we are getting is not in the same sequence as we need it, because the sequence of student from the Microsoft team we are getting is in alphabetical order, but we don't want in alphabetical order or in some other sequence. We need in our own sequence to upload in our ERP software or store it in a record register. So before going to the actual part, I'll show you that here is the thing that you should get ready with you. So this sheet should be get ready with you. I'll show you that sheet. Here I've written the name of the students in the sequence which I need it. In the sequence in which I need it, the sequence as well as their respective IDs. And here I'm using a formula here. What is that formula? So formula is G2 as I'm matching with the IDs, A2 colon B55 with the dollar symbol. 50 you're taking the maximum number of students in any section in any class to 55. It is more than that, you can change the formula from 55 to 60 or 65 depending on the number of students. And you just after applying the formula in the first cell, you just drag it down. So that will be applied to all the cells. If you're having more number of students, you can drag it down further till row number 55 or 65, whatever it is. And then here you have to just paste the marks which you have downloaded from the Microsoft Teams. I've already downloaded the file of objective as well as subjective. So let me go for the subjective first. Here is the subjective marks. I'll copy the IDs and the marks here by pressing Ctrl C and paste it here, and see the magic happens. But here I'm saying that showing that NA means that this student was absent in this exam, and rest is fine. And you can match the marks also just to confirm. See, here we are getting 23.5 this ID, and here is 23.5, and here you can see this ID is 22.5, and here also this ID 22.5. So you can use these marks or copy these marks from here to your Excel file which you can upload in your ERP software, or you can paste it in some other sheet to use it further. If you directly paste Ctrl V, then it may happen like this. So don't press Ctrl V to paste it. Just do one thing, right click and click here, and then you will get the values. Don't use Ctrl C and Ctrl V for pasting the values, as these values are coming from the formula. So next is, let me do for the objective 1 now. For objective 1, the sheet which you are getting is a long sheet, but you don't need any other column except these two, which is your IDs and your total points. Just copy paste this, your IDs and marks, and paste it here and see the magic. It is happening here. So that means this student and this student was absent in this test. It is showing me that. Rest all marks are clear, and you can match again here. This ID is getting 16, this ID is getting 16 here. So that means you can use this sheet. You have to prepare this sheet once, and you can use it further n number of times for n number of assignments or n number of objective tests which you are conducting on Microsoft Teams. You just have to paste it your downloaded IDs and the downloaded marks from the Microsoft team and paste it here, and you'll get your result. And then you can use these marks anywhere in any sheet. Like if I copy these marks, and I can use it here, right click and values. See, it's done. So that means now it is clear that this sheet should be ready with us. With all the correct sequence and the correct IDs with the correct formula. This sheet is very important because this is basically giving you the matching marks of a particular student. So now it is clear to you that how you can create the sheet and how you can use this sheet. So you can use this sheet n number of times. Just paste the marks and the IDs from any subject. So you can take the assignments and paste the marks here. You get the marks in your own sequence. So thank you.